Welcome back everyone, I'm Melissa if you're new here. This month we are unboxing Ipsy's November box. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a beauty monthly subscription where you get 5 travel-sized products and typically 1 full-size product. It also comes with a small makeup bag, and this is $14 a month with a small handling fee. With the Boxy Charm, you get 5 full-size products. As a subscriber, you choose 3 full-size products, and it's typically up to $200, so it's a pretty good deal. It's just a really great way to try new products and discover new brands, and that's why I love Ipsy. And the Boxy Charm is $30 a month. So with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into our box. It's a little heavy this time. I'm really excited to see what we have for this month. All right, you guys, I'm so ready to dive right in. We're gonna start with our Glam Bag. I always love celebrating November. It's the month to really show thanks and gratefulness. Just a reminder of all the things that we should be grateful for. So for this month, I'm so grateful that today is such a beautiful day. It's warm where I am, and typically we don't have warm weather right now. So really grateful for that. I'm also grateful for all of you for watching this video and subscribing. I'm so thankful for all of your support. And I'm also grateful for Ipsy for sending me all of their wonderful boxes every month to unbox with you guys. This month's theme, we have Glow Off This Winter. Glow-giving ingredients we are thankful for. Definitely grateful for all these, especially that vitamin C. I cannot have skincare without a vitamin C. Oh, this was not the bag I was expecting for November. It's like a snake skin material. The texture, the shine is gorgeous. What do you guys think about this bag? All right, up first we have a Marc Anthony product. This is their Repair Bond Rescooplex Leave-In Conditioner. This is a nice little mini. I love when I get little hair care minis because your girl has a lot of hair and it takes a lot of product to do anything with it. So it's always great to have little minis. Next we have this eyeshadow palette. It's a Ballerine eyeshadow palette. I'm thinking there might be a lot of pinks and just pretty colors. This is from Element Beauty. So it's actually more of a neutral palette. Very pretty. Next we have Lovecraft Beauty Gel Eye Pencil. These are always so impossible to get the plastic off. We're getting somewhere. And this is in the shade Searchlight. So the back here shows gray, but it definitely looks more black to me. And last we have this Gold Faded MD Eye Defy Cream. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear that outside, but it seems like everybody's deciding to use their leaf blowers today. I don't know if I said that was my last product, but this is actually the last product. This is a Fenty Beauty, their Fenty Glow Glossy Balm. It has like a little pretty shimmer in here. I'm really excited to use this. It's not like a really dark color. It's a perfect little pink. If I didn't already have stuff on my lips, I would try it out. Definitely gonna try this out sometime this week. So that was our Glam Bag. Let's go ahead and move on to our Boxy Charm. It's so funny, I feel like I was just filming my last Ipsy. How time flies is so crazy to me. So we have our cute ad here. 25 Days of Glam. You guys can pause this on the screen if you want to check out their ad. It shows some trend tips and some things for the holiday season. On the back it shows an advent calendar. Lots of fun things. All right, here we go, you guys. First up, we have Murad. I love Murad. Their products are always amazing. This is their vitamin C cleanser. I've actually used a mini travel size of this and I loved it, so very excited for a full size. Here, our next product is, I still think I pronounced this a little wrong, Sonage? I think it's Sonage. Collagen Boosting Serum. I definitely need some collagen boosting serum in my life. So let me know if you guys have tried this product out and what you think of it. We are just moving along here. Next we have a Bare Minerals, their Maximus Volumizing Mascara. I love Bare Minerals, but I have to say I've never tried any of their mascaras. So this brush looks so fluffy. It looks like, it kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex one, but this is pretty nice. I'm excited for this. Up next we have an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. This is their Disco Drip. Lots of fun colors in here. I feel like this may have been something they should have sent for October's, Very fun colors. Our last product in here is from Dew of the Gods. This is their hyaluronic lip butter in Apple Sugar Plum. I cannot wait to smell this and use it. It smells so good I want to eat it. That's all for the Boxycharm. Now let's move on to the Iconbox. Here we go. So excited. We have the beautiful Lisa Vanderpump, and this back picture looks so stunning. Oh my god, she looks so beautiful. She shares what's in her bag, her nighttime skincare, and she shares some tips for gifting. I love this. So cute. I'm so ready to see what we have in here. First we have Tartelette Love Tarte. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am one of Tarte's biggest fans. So obsessed. There is not a single Tarte product that has ever steered me wrong. The quality of this palette is amazing. And the colors, you guys, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Cannot wait to dive into this. It just smells so good. You just want to eat it. So this is the Tartelette Juicy palette. I'm definitely going to be using that a lot. Up next we have this LYS Beauty. This is their Speak Love lipstick. The packaging is beautiful and the shade is really pretty. I could definitely see this matching really well with my makeup. I'm very excited for this one too. Up next, we have Origins. This is their daily moisturizer with SPF of 30 inside. I have never tried any of their moisturizers, so I'm excited for this one. What are you guys thinking so far? Let me know in the comments. I'm really excited with this one. I mean, this Iconbox so far is everything. Next we have Dermalect. This is their Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. Whew, that was a mouthful. This is a cleanser. Perfect because I'm running out of my cleansers and I'm very excited to try this one. This one has some sea kelp and licorice extracts in it. What do we have here? Briogeo. Actually, I am a huge fan of this product, you guys. Their Scalp Revival, so good. You leave it on your head for 10 to 15 minutes and it does wonders. So excited for this. Love Briogeo. Next we have a Laura Mercier product. Let's see what this is. A Caviar Eyeliner Pencil. Swatch it right here for you guys. It's like, I don't know if the color's gonna show on here, but it's kind of like a brownish black. Almost kind of looks purple, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Now I think someone's deciding to cut their grass. Up next we have a Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. This is cool. This is from Korres. I have never tried any products of theirs, so let me know if you guys have and what you think of them. Very cool. It has BHAs and AHAs in it, which I love for the skin. And now we've made it to our last product. We have a Rosy perfume by Rosie Jane. It's a very simple, very cute bottle. Now I have to test this. I actually like it. I'm very picky with perfumes, but this one's nice. It's a very soft and elegant smell to me and has almost like a floral scent to it. All right, friends, we made it through this month's unboxing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'm so thankful for all of you this month. I'm actually going to be hosting a huge giveaway on my TikTok and Instagram platforms. So make sure you're over there following me and leave a comment saying came from YouTube or something where I know where you came from. I love you all so much. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye.